Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Today we're going to talk about washing our bike. Now I know I've seen a lot of pros tell you don't wash your bike because it wears your bike out. Well, I can tell you one thing. If you want your bike to sound like trash when you're riding on the trail, don't wash it. A clean bike works a lot better, works smoothly. So I'm going to show you today how to easily wash a dirty bike. Hey guys, we're in the wash bay. We got a dirty bike. Got caught out in a rainstorm last night, so it's got pretty muddy, got pretty dirty. I'm going to show you how simple it is to maintain your bike. Now what I like to use is the Muc-off bike wash. It works on the whole bike. It's carbon safe, brake safe. And then if you get a little dirty on the chain, I got the drivetrain cleaner specifically. Okay, we're going to spray the bike down. Again, this is the Muc-off bike wash. Okay, after you spread it down with the Muc-off bike wash, you're going to let it sit for a little bit. Do not let it dry on the bike. After it sits, you just spray it off. After you get the bike sprayed off, you want to dry it. Use a shop rag or use a towel. You want to get all the water off the bike. Now again, this bike was cleaned with just the Muc-off bike wash. No scrubbing. Just spraying it on and spraying it off. You can see it works really well. Okay, so after you've dried your bike off, you want to make sure you lube your chain. Now I like to use the Muc-off dry lube because I ride in dry conditions. But you just want to go lube your chain. All the way around. And then wipe off the excess. So there you go. That's all it is to it. You too can have a clean bike and ride like a pro.